Hello, we're here today to talk about tax-free savings accounts, which have become one of the most popular forms of investment accounts that we as Canadians have access to. They were established in 2009 by the Canadian government. TFSAs offer a very easy way to grow your savings, and they're tax-free. Well, they provide lots of flexibility for you to meet various financial goals along the way. My name is SAGER. I'm a senior investment advisor at SAGER Wealth Management, and I've been guiding people through their financial journeys for over 30 years. Today, I'll take you through a few things you ought to know about tax-free savings accounts, and I'll explain why they can be a vital investment tool in every stage of your life. So, first of all, what is a TFSA? A tax-free savings account is a bit of a misnomer. It isn't just for savings vehicles or bank accounts. It's actually an investment account, and it's registered and it's available to Canadian residents and citizens. And unlike a regular savings account, the contributions to a TFSA and the earnings that they make within the account will never pay tax. They're not subject to taxation. This means that any money you earn or withdraw from your TFSA is entirely tax-free. So let's go over some of the features. The contribution limits, first of all. This simply refers to how much you can put in your TFSA on an annual basis. It's set by the government, and if you don't contribute your maximum each year, you don't lose it. It accumulates from the year that you turn 18. So if you don't put in your full amount, you can catch up later on. Annual contribution limits do change, so it's essential to stay updated on the current limits. For the most recent information, you should consult the CRA, or you could call us, and we're happy to help you. One of the most wonderful things about tax-free savings accounts is that they are very flexible and they are tax-free. It could be your emergency savings, it could be for a home purchase, it could be for education, retirement. There's absolutely no restrictions on how you allocate your contributions. So it makes it easy to choose investments that align with your financial objectives. The main thing here is tax benefits. TFSA contributions are not tax deductible, so meaning you contribute with after-tax dollars. However, withdrawals are entirely tax-free, making TFSAs a very powerful tool for tax-efficient growth. The primary benefit of a TFSA is the tax-free growth of your investments. So whether it's interest, dividends, capital gains, all the earnings are sheltered from tax, allowing your savings to grow faster. And the investment options are broad. TFSAs can hold a wide range of investments. You can have a simple GIC, you can have mutual funds, individual stocks, bonds, alternative investments. This flexibility allows you to tailor your portfolio to your risk tolerance and financial goals. So for more information on these other investment vehicles, stay connected with me and keep an eye out for new information. There is a carryover allowed of unused contribution room. So if you don't use up your full TFSA contribution room in any given year, the unused amount can be carried over to the following years. This feature allows you to catch up on contributions if you've not maximized your TFSA in the past. There's one other little thing. With TFSAs, if you take money out, you're allowed to put it back in. Not the same year you take it out, but any other year. So that's another benefit to a TFSA. It gives you maximum flexibility. You can withdraw money and actually put it back in later on from your TFSA at any time for any purpose without incurring taxes. This flexibility makes TFSAs ideal for both short-term and long-term savings and investment planning. Also, there's no age limit. So with an RSP, we know that at age 71, we have to stop contributing and it becomes a RIF. TFSAs don't have that age limit. You can continue your contributions and you can benefit from the tax-free growth every year, even after you've retired. And it won't impact your government benefits. So TFSA withdrawals do not affect old age security or the guaranteed income supplement. There's a few do's and don'ts surrounding the use of a TFSA. First of all, you don't want to over-contribute to a TFSA because if you exceed your contribution limit, there is a penalty tax. So if we put in extra money over and above our allowance, it's subject to a 1% monthly penalty tax. So let's keep track of what we're allowed to put in. And once again, the CRA website will tell you that, or your accountant or tax preparer should know. And of course, we're going to diversify the investments, hopefully within the TFSA, just as we do with all investments. So diversifying your TFSA helps you to manage risk and get the right kind of returns. So that's what we help you do. If you're looking to construct a well-balanced portfolio, please reach out to me. I offer investment advisory services backed by decades of experience and would be happy to help. And in terms of long-term planning, I think TFSAs are an excellent vehicle for both the short-term and the long-term goals. You can consider using them for retirement savings, especially if you've maxed out on your RSP contributions. And you should stay informed, of course, about the changes in TFSA rules and limits, and we can help you with that. To wrap things up, tax-free savings accounts are a valuable financial tool for Canadians. They offer tax-free growth, unparalleled flexibility for a wide range of financial goals, and by understanding the features and the benefits and the best practices of TFSAs, you can make informed decisions that will allow you to secure your financial future, enjoy tax-free savings for years to come. So whether you're saving for a rainy day, a dream vacation, a new home, retirement, TFSAs can play a crucial role in helping you achieve your objectives. My team and I are well equipped to help guide you with a financial roadmap. We can answer any of your questions, and we're here simply sometimes to offer a second opinion. So please feel free to contact us or visit our website at SAGER Lecky Peters. And if this video helped you, make sure to like us or subscribe or head to our website for more information. Thanks so much for your time today.